Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel PowerPoint University. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a presentation in a different style. We all make regular presentations, so I thought of creating something different. So this is how the presentation looks. You can see here I have created the first slide, which is the table of content, and I have give objective about us, our clients, and contact us. And you can see there are 4 arrows facing downwards, and when I click, it will show you the first objective, the details with the image and the text, and you can see the arrow, it's showing upwards now. For this I have used the morph transition, which is available in PowerPoint 2018 or Office 365, and when I go click, it will show you about us and the image changes. Then our clients will show, and the last is contact us. Or if you just again, if you want to go back, it will show you the other way: about us, objective, and the main slide. So let's see how to create this a different PowerPoint presentation in PowerPoint. Open a new presentation, go to insert and insert a text box. Here I'm just going to say a table of content, and I'm going to give some a blue color for this. I'll give the font as Oswald and increase the size to 36 and keep exactly at the top of the slide. Then insert one more text box, or I can just double click this, press Ctrl D. I will reduce the size and change the font to red. So my first table of content will be, for example, objective, and insert one rectangle here and give the same fill, which is blue, and shape outline, make it no outline, and I'm going to insert one arrow here. For that, go to icons, arrow, and I'm going to select this arrow and say insert. You can reduce the size and rotate it by holding the Alt and the arrow keys, left or right arrow key, and add it here. Then I'm just going to copy this full objective, Ctrl D, duplicate and paste it here. So I'll say this one contact us or about us, which will be 2. I'm going to copy this, Ctrl D, and this could be 3. I will say our clients, and last I'm going to add, which is 4, contact us. If you want, you can give the equal spaces here. Now our first slide is ready, so let's see how to create the second slide and more details about it. Now duplicate this slide, right mouse click and say duplicate slide, and then I'm just going to select these three about us, our clients and contact us, and I'm drag it down. Maybe only about us is visible. You can see if I just zoom out, only about us is visible, and three, our clients and contact us, is below the slide area. Now I'm just going to insert some one image. I'll just go to right mouse click, go to format, shape, fill. I'll say picture, file. I'm just going to select any good image from here. For example, let me just select this image, and then I'm going to add one more rectangle. This is for the text. Shape outline, make it no outline, and you can give the same blue color, and this also make it no outline. And make sure that it's aligned properly. And I'm going to insert some text box here, equals LOREM. I'm going to add some Latin text. And this arrow, I'm just going to rotate it to face it upwards. Now I have just made two slides. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this slide, go to transition and just say morph transition. And now if I play this in the slideshow, when I click, it will show you something like this. So let's see how to create the other slide number 4, 5 and 6, 3, 4 and 5. Now I'm going to duplicate this slide, the second slide. Right mouse click and say duplicate slide. I'll just close the format background, and let me just zoom out a little bit. This arrow again, I'm putting it the face down, and then I'm just moving this above the slide area, and then I'm bringing this about us at the top. And this also should be facing upwards, and I'm going to select both these things, our clients here, so the next that is our clients will come. And here I'm just going to change the picture, go to format, and you can, or right mouse click, go to format picture and say file and select a different image. Maybe I'll select this image. If you want, you can change the format color. Now let's see again. So when I click, the first objective will come, and then when I click, about us will come with this image. Now I'm going to do the third slide for our clients. Right mouse click, say duplicate slide, and again this one I'm facing the arrow down, and move this above the slide area. bring our client on top, and change the arrow direction. Now this also I'm just going to give a different image. Maybe this image I'll select it, and if you want to change the color also you can change it. And last, again duplicate slide. So this, let me just move more. So table of contents will go above the slide area, and contact us will come there. With the, for here also I forgot to do the arrow downwards. Now contact us, again select very nice image, or maybe Instagram I'll just select, and I'll give purple. So let's see how it looks in our slideshow. Now this is our main slide, table of contents, objective, about us, our clients, and contact us. So when I click anywhere on the slide, the objective will come, and you can see that that arrow is facing upwards, and when I click, about us will come, this will change, then our clients, and last is contact us. Again, if you want, you can just go back like this. All right, so that's it for me, friends. So hope to see you soon with another exciting tutorial. Thank you, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, PowerPoint University. That's it from me, friends. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe PowerPoint University. See you soon with more interesting stuff. Till then, goodbye.